Hey guys, it's Danny. How you guys doing? With SMD Designs. I am printing off a catch-all. I'm going to be doing with this and this a video for you guys on how to make money with your 3D printer in 2020. The craze has already hit and a lot of people have made money 3D printing. I want to make sure you guys can make money in 2020 3D printing. A lot of the videos you see are for 2018, 2019. This is 2020. It's already been a crazy year, so we need to let's slow it down and I can try to help you new guys on how to make some money 3D printing. Now I'm making, and you know, you guys don't have to use this per se because I sell it, so it's going to be hard for you to sell it if I sell it. And it just wouldn't be ethical. But, so I'm printing a catch-all for your kitchen sink, counter, whatever, you know, to like when you come in from work, you can put your keys in your cell phone or wallet or change or whatever. You know, you clean out of your pockets. It's called a catch-all. And then I'm making on this one I'm making a little ring holder. Same kind of deal for women. You know, a little catch-all where they can throw their change at night and their rings and their stuff like that. But I'm going to do a video probably tomorrow. I worked all weekend in Iowa. And it snowed, guys, like you wouldn't believe it snowed. So I'll upload that video of the snow and let you guys see it in Iowa. It's 70 degrees in Ohio and it's snowing in Iowa, so go figure. So, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know that I will be making a video. Didn't make one all weekend because I wasn't here. But now I'm back in Ohio, so I will get a video made. And I just want to go over like what you guys can do to make money. You know, I make money selling 3D prints before I ever started doing videos. And I have a little tried and true technique that's worked for me making money in this. So it should work for you guys as well. It has been hard. Because you guys got to think everybody else that has sold and did shows on YouTube on how-to videos have already made their money doing YouTube videos and they get kickbacks and you know, they get free printers and to try out for being a reviewer and see, that's not what I'm doing. I'm doing teaching. I'm all about teaching, not the review part. I just want to help you guys to learn to use your 3D printer better and make some money in DIY in 2020. So I'm going to be doing a video on that. I really wanted to show you here how good the V2 is working for me. Now I did have a little bugs when I come out here. I don't know what was going on, but when I turned it on, first of all, it wouldn't take more than one command. It might have just been the motherboard was cold. I mean, it does get cold here at night in Ohio, and it hasn't been on for 2 or 3 days. You know, and usually I run them day and night, so. But one thing I noticed, a lot of times I'm having to level my bed every single time I do a print with that. So, I don't know, I thought it would be dialed in. I just come home and start printing. And see, that's the thing, like, I have ideas, call it ADD, call it what you will. I have ideas as I'm driving back from places when I'm all by myself and everybody's asleep and in the car. So I have these ideas and I come up with these ideas like these two things here. I was just driving along and I thought, what would be a good thing that I could make that would be able to make a little money And I'm sure people's made money off them before, but you know, maybe it's something I can reintroduce. You know, maybe it was popular 2 years ago, but you know, it's popular again. So I just wanted to, you know, you can use these for many things. I mean, that's a little cup. You can use it for more than just putting rings and chains in it. I mean, you can put earrings in it. You can put your, you know, little perfume bottles in it. A couple small ones, the little. I mean, there's things that women can put in there, or men that like art. You know, I ain't gonna exclude nobody. I'm just saying. So, you know, it's about a 3-hour print, so that's not too much time took up. You know, I think it was $1.80, $1.90 worth of, you know, when you use your slicer, it tells you how much the filament and how much it's going to cost and stuff. So I just wanted to let you guys know, you know, that it's not a hard make. And that's another thing. You know, I was telling on 3D Printing Professor's comment section, I said, if anybody needs help with coming up with any ideas, you know, hit me up on my page and I'll be glad to help you guys, you know. So I just wanted to let you know I can help you guys come up with ideas to make money, something you might not have thought of yet, because if you're new to printing and you haven't thought of it, I probably have and failed at it. So, and that's why I am SMD, Simple Man Designs, because I've already failed at all this stuff. I didn't go to college. I don't have any kind of degree or background on this stuff. So everything I'm teaching you is stuff that I've failed at or I've succeeded at that I want to let you guys know how to do. So, and I don't know for 100% per se that these are gonna succeed, but I mean, you know, I know what I have used in the past that succeeded. So, and another thing is hitting on your price points too, because a lot of people, you know, the time we're in, you can't be too expensive, but you want to value your time too. You know, you don't want to go crazy like I was when I give you examples. When I first started out, I was making stuff and posting it for $20 and $30. Well, I mean, these are, you know, FDM printers for one. They don't have I mean, they're good, but they don't have an amazing quality, you know. And like I said, you know, it don't look like it came off a mold, you know, production line, you know, like you would pull a toy or a car part or something. They don't look that good. Now, you might be able to get it pretty close calibrated. Like my Ender 3, it's really close and looks really good. But I mean, it's still, I mean, you guys can see it looks just like an injection molded part. So, I mean, it looks very good, but I'm just saying, you don't want to go crazy with your prices on things. And guys, I promise you, I told you I'd get some better cameras and stuff. I ordered a camera stick, a tripod, so I can get in the shots and when I'm trying to explain stuff to you guys. And I ordered a better microphone because I got a comment the other day saying that they couldn't hardly hear me, so I did that. And you know, it's nice to see who's talking to you and teaching you. Some people learn better that way, and I don't care a bit to show you. And you know, like I also wanted to go through with you guys on I'm ordering. I'm ordering a CNC machine. I'm gonna do a CNC milling machine. I'm gonna do videos on that too. It's time to get into the woodworking signs. The signs are big right now. I mean, you can pretty much watch on TV and trend off of what's going on TV. Like, you know, if you watch American Pickers, those guys do a lot of signs. So signs are big right now. So if you can kind of imitate or do wood or something, you know, people can hang in their jobs. Everybody's DIY right now. So right now is the time to make money on stuff like that. So we'll go through all that together. But I just wanted to touch base tonight and give you kind of pre-cool what I'm going to be doing this week as far as, you know, my videos and what I'm going to be uploading, my content, you know. And I did a new bio. I went back and redid my bio for you guys, so you guys can learn a little bit about me and who I am, and you know the things that I've dealt with and where I've come from, and my trials and able to overcome and adapt and prosper. So just kind of check that out and hit me up. And like I said, it's going slow, and I didn't expect it to be fast. Nothing that's good is fast. There's a lot of failing in it. So, like I said, I'm going to be giving away an Ender 3 Pro when I get to 10,000 subscribers. It's going slow. It'll eventually happen, you know. We'll just keep plugging and plugging and plugging away until we, you know, stick. So, I mean, because if I'm helping you guys, eventually it's going to start sticking. And just hit the subscribe button, you know, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because if you don't hit the subscribe button, you can't win. I mean, that's a fact that nobody's going to win that doesn't hit the subscribe button. And over on the cr10 Ender fan group, they're going to be giving away, I think, a V2 this week. And I'll try to put the link in my description below for you guys, so you can join the group, just so that way you can try to win the printer. I mean, you'll be in the drawing to win it. And then that's the 20th of this month, and then the 7th or the 11th, no, it's the 7th of next month of the November. I think they're going to be doing another drawing, a secret drawing before Christmas. So it's going to be something good. And plus they give away filament and stuff all the time. So, I mean, it's good to be on there. Plus people can help you besides me. There's a lot of members on there, and they're very helpful. If you get on there and ask for help, they'll help you, you know. And that's the thing, like, we're a big group. I talk about help all the time, helping each other, not getting too big and thinking people's annoying and stuff, because remember, you were there once. So anybody that asks for my help, I help, you know. And you know, and even if you don't know the answer, you can give them something you failed at, or something that you succeeded at that might click in their head, you know. Or you can steer them towards my video, or Chuck's video, or Chris's video, or somebody's video that you've watched that would help you, that's helped you learn. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. I'm gonna get in bed so I can get up and get on this tomorrow with you guys, starting on this new series of how to make money 3D printing in 2020. So, all right, guys, see you tomorrow.